Behold the epitome of brains, beauty, and brawn.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making her way to the ring from Denver, Colorado, Eve Torres!
Eve is a natural-born competitor who possesses crazy athleticism and an amazing in-ring IQ. Eve Torres is the real deal.
Eve Torres, an expert at finding weakness and exploiting it.
A woman who turned her back on the WWE Universe and never looked back. It was the best decision she ever made. Laying people out with a smile and a pose.
What a tremendous athlete, Bianca Belair.
And from Knoxville, Tennessee, Bianca Belair!
WWE Universe, you are looking at a superstar who is simply blessed to be the best. Just naturally better than everybody else, even when only doing the bare minimum.
Well, you talk about some of that natural athletic talent, Corey. Bianca's been exceptional her entire life. She earned All-American honors in track and field. And if you just ask her, she'll tell you why she's better than everybody else.
She has been counting the weeks, the days, the minutes until this match, and she is now ready to compete.
And we'll start with Eve, and I gotta say, not many people know how to get what they want better than Eve Torres.
The resume speaks for itself. From the Diva search to a multi-time champ, a former executive administrator of Raw and SmackDown. She is crafty, she is creative, and ambitious as they come.
I certainly wouldn't bet against her.
Yeah, but she's got a tall task at hand, taking on the eager newcomer, Bianca Belair.
Well, she was a standout athlete in the Performance Center, but that's nothing new for Belair. She won't settle for being anything other than the best. With her size, speed, and agility, it's not going to be hard for her to reach that acclaim. Strenuous effort here.
A heel hook locked in. You can almost hear the opponents yelling in agony.
An uninterrupted surge against Torres here.
Bianca's at full throttle. Trying to target the back of the neck here.
A show of disrespect from Belair.
Oh, man.
She can end it here. She was close to the end there.
The end was in sight.
Bianca Belair is a superstar who has all the tools for success here. And considering her stance on being the EST of WWE, she clearly agrees with that assessment. But Corey, is there any specific tool out of Belair's toolbox that you would say she should focus on using most in this matchup?
Of course. Belair fancies herself the strongest, the fastest, the toughest. The list goes on. But tonight, what's most important is that she's the smartest. Belair is as athletic as it comes. But none of that matters if she can't ultimately outsmart and outthink her opponent. Shoulder blocks repeatedly in the corner.
Complete dominance. A steady charge here from Belair.
And Belair's smart work tonight, finally seeing major results here. Ooh, neck breaker. Powerbomb position.
Fighting out. Hammering away with punches to the face.
Shoulder tackle.
She's showing signs of slowing now.
Yes, Belair's clearly working hard to soften her up.
Belair getting ready.
You can see her struggling to find her bearings. Up high.
Oh, got caught. Gets slammed down. Oh,
Swanton.
That might be it. She powers out immediately there.
A little closer to getting the pinfall there, but this is still anybody's fight.
Oh, man, by the hair. Hair whip.
Was definitely not thinking about finesse with that one. Was only thinking about dominance.
There's two. No, shoulders up at two.
If she keeps the pressure on, the next one might do it.
Running senton.
Oh, ouch.
Boom. Oh, dear. Taking a page out of the Michael Cole playbook.
The twerk into the moonsault. Love it.
Why not look like $1 million when hitting something?
And he picks up the win here.
Here is your winner, Eve Torres!
Not the way Bianca Belair wanted this one to go.
It's still early in Belair's career, and I don't think this loss is going to derail her trajectory in the WWE.